So hello guys, we are sitting in the Lotus Eletre S. This is actually the mid-range car that delivers 600 horsepower and 700 Newton meters of torque, if I'm not mistaken. That is the model between the base Eletre, which also had the same power, I guess, and the Eletre R, which actually even has up to 900 horsepower and a 2-gear transmission. Of course, you are here to find out how fast this car goes on the Autobahn, 100 to 200. We also want to find out how it compares in terms of quality. You can see it inside, it's amazing. And of course, performance to something like Urus and maybe an Audi RS Q8. First of all, I have to say the quality inside is more in the direction of Lamborghini and Bentley than it is to Audi and BMW. It's really astonishing. Alcantara, the carbon fiber, even Alcantara in the trunk. I mean, yeah, that's a huge step up also in terms of design, of course. And yeah, also the power is very interesting to see. I think RSQA did something of about 9.9 seconds, 100 to 200, and the Euros in the base car probably something in the mid-8s, and the Euros Performante did a 7.5 or something like that. And also from a pricing perspective, this should be in a similar range, because this particular car costs around 150,000 euros. Of course, that's list price, and that is with more or less all the options that you could potentially pick. But nevertheless, it's very interesting, yeah, to see how it performs in the straight line, because yeah, the handling and everything else feels very Lotus-like. It's very sporty in the end, and also the range is quite interesting, because we not only have a battery but also 350 kilowatt of charging possibility as soon as you find a charger that supports that. First try 100 to 200. Let's see how it pulls through. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. 8.08 with even 0.1% uphill, so the corrected time is exactly that, or even better. We have 89% state of charge, so it's not even 100%. That means that is quite impressive in the power, and that is, yeah, it's very close to a Urus Performante, and actually faster than an Audi RS Q8. A lot faster, almost 2 seconds faster. Next try 100 to 200. Yeah, uphill run again, 8.35, and that seems to be very reliable here. Very interesting how good the car pulls again and again. And as said in the beginning, it's a very sporty feeling, because you have a progressive power increase. It's not that you get this punch in the beginning, but it takes a second, like if a turbo builds up boost and then it just continuously pulls. It's a very nice feeling, and I haven't felt that from an electric car before. All manufacturers should do it like that here. So I guess we have seen some very interesting times. The 8.0 to 8.3 are reliable numbers, even that the battery level is dropping now, so that's very interesting. You have also seen that the 0 to 100 is not that quick actually, because again it takes just a bit to get moving, but it's also very, let's say, a very good feeling, because you don't want to have that punch, that immediate punch in the beginning. You just would like to have that progressive power band. And yeah, with that, I think a very high quality car. A lot of premium stuff in here. The design, of course, is great. I'm also looking forward to drive the sedan version, more or less, of this technology, the Maya. That's very interesting. And yeah, I think from a material perspective inside, also from a noise isolation perspective inside, this is truly, yeah, very luxury class, and still have a very sporty feeling, and of course in the end a good electric drivetrain with 800 volt architecture and a big battery.